Hi, I'm Helen Campbell and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Wonders of Watercolour. Right here is where you will find a ton of free watercolour tutorials as well as tips, tricks and hacks. But that's not all. You will also have exclusive behind the scenes access and so much more. Here's my story. My journey began 10 years ago when I quit my job in the legal profession because my heart simply wasn't in it. I taught myself how to draw and with a little bit of practice progressed onto watercolour painting. I am completely self-taught, so it meant that I could bend the rules to suit myself, and before I knew it, I was doing freelance illustration work for companies such as This Works, Bromley UK and Western Cider, but my passion lies within teaching. I have successfully taught many people how to paint over the last decade, even those who thought they couldn't. Throughout the tutorials we will cover many different things such as paint application, wet on dry and wet on wet, and the difference between the two and how you can make them work for you as a watercolourist. We will also cover things like colour glazing and how creating a wash over an existing wash you can really change your colours to make them vibrant and glow. We all get the watercolour wobbles, so I will also explain to you how you can remedy any mistakes that you will make so that you can continue with your painting. How to create the perfect colour chart to make your colour matching easier, and of course things like brushes that you will obviously need in order to paint. So come on the journey with me and let me help you develop your skills as a watercolourist so that you can, with practice, become truly competent and produce watercolour paintings that you can be proud of. Oh, and remember to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. And remember to drop a comment below to introduce yourselves to me and say hi. Thank you for watching.